My name is Mavis, just a resident of Kielani. I've come to the workshop. I have learned a lot. I'm 52 years old. You cannot imagine what I have learned. I have learned to teach kids in a funny way. You know, as a granny, I'm always busy, tired. I shift all the responsibilities to the teachers, and I don't even do anything. It seems as if because teachers are being paid for, then it's them that are going to teach. But now I have learned. I'm going to start today to teach my kids letters, to teach my kids everything. You know, there are so many things like soft drinks leads. You can just make learning fun. So, you know, we have learned a lot. And to our excellent educator, oh, we clap hands for her. She's a very good teacher. When she was just teaching there, I sensed it that she is a professional teacher. Thank you, Renee.